Hello my dear students, this lecture is for Standard 7 ICSE CBSE students and we will be discussing on chapter Symmetry. What is symmetry? So the symmetry is if a central dividing line can be drawn on a shape to show that two sides of the shape are exactly the same. Something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Then what is line of symmetry? It is a line that divides the figure or shape in exactly two parts, such that one is the mirror image of the other. Let's see some example where I have shown line of symmetry with the dotted lines. So first figure is having horizontal line of symmetry. Second figure is having a vertical line of symmetry. Third figure is showing the diagonal line of symmetry. Few figures may be having more than one line of symmetry, like for example H, a letter H, it is showing a vertical line of symmetry and a horizontal line of symmetry. Letter X, it is again having a vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Basic types of symmetry. See the real life examples. Vertical line, horizontal line. So line of symmetry is when one half of an image is the mirror image of the other half. I hope you have understood what is line of symmetry. It is a line that cuts a shape into two equal halves. This means that if you were to fold the shape along the line, both halves would match exactly. Some figures are shown here with the lines of symmetry. First figure is an equilateral triangle. It is having 3 lines of symmetry. Second figure is a square which is having 4 lines of symmetry. Third figure is a regular pentagon. It is having 5 lines of symmetry. Next, fourth one is a regular hexagon which is having 6 lines of symmetry. What is regular? What do you mean by regular? Regular pentagon, regular hexagon. It means if a figure is having all sides equal, then it is called a regular shape. 3 sides of equal length is in the equilateral triangle, so it is having 3 lines of symmetry. Second figure is showing a square. Square is a regular 4-sided figure. That means all the sides are equal, so it will have 4 lines of symmetry. Next figure is a regular pentagon. It has 5 equal sides, so it has 5 lines of symmetry. Regular hexagon, it is having 6 equal sides, so it is having 6 lines of symmetry. Next, symmetrical company logos. Some figures of company logos are having the lines of symmetry. Let us see. Here if you see, all the figures are having lines of symmetry. Can you tell me what is the similarity between all these figures and their line of symmetry? They all are having vertical line of symmetry. What does these math symbols? They are plus, minus, multiplication, division. Do they have symmetry? Yes, you can see the dotted lines are showing the symmetrical line and they all have 2 lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry do these regular polygons have? 3-sided figure has 3 lines of symmetry. 4-sided figure has 4 lines of symmetry. 5-sided regular pentagon is having 5 lines of symmetry. 6-sided regular hexagon, it is having 6 lines of symmetry. 8-sided regular octagon, it is having 8 lines of symmetry. Now next topic is rotation. What is rotation? The action of turning a figure around a point or a vertex. See for example, yes, it is having a center point, and if it is rotated about this center point, yes, if it is rotated, then it is called a rotation. Next figure, again it is having a center of rotation. Now what is rotational symmetry? An object's degree of rotational symmetry is the number of distinct orientations in which it looks exactly the same for each rotation. If I rotate the first figure, when this first pointer will be showing, if it comes here, then it will be just exactly the same of the starting picture. If this again, suppose I mark it with A, when A comes to the position of B, then the figure will be exactly same. When the A comes from B to C, again it will be same. And again, if it comes to the original place A, then it will be completing full one rotation, that is 360 degree. So in 360 degree, how many times it is just exactly the same shape? 3 times. So that is called the order of symmetry. 1, 2 and 3 in one complete rotation, it is 3 times getting the same shape. So it is having order of rotational symmetry as 3. And at what angle if I rotate it to get the exactly same shape? It is 120 degree. Now how to calculate this order and rotation? If you have understood 3 times order of symmetry, just divide that 360 degree complete rotation 360 degree by 3 and you will get angle of rotation. Next figure. If I start, suppose I start from this position, and when it comes to this position, it will be exactly, the whole figure will be exactly as the first one. When it started from this location, it will be exactly the same. When it comes to this point, again it will be the same. When it comes to this point, again we get the same shape. When it comes to this point, again it is same. When it comes here, again you will get the same. So in one complete rotation, how many times you get the exactly same position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it can be rotated. So the order will be 6 and the angle of rotation will be 360 divided by 6, that is 60 degree. Let us see few examples. Angle of rotational symmetry. The angle of rotational symmetry is the smallest angle for which the figure can be rotated to coincide with itself. How to calculate? 360 divided by order of rotational symmetry. Next is, what is order of rotational symmetry? So the order of symmetry is the number of times the figure coincides with itself as it rotates through 360 degree. So order of rotational symmetry can be calculated by dividing 360 degree by angle of rotational symmetry. Now few examples. See this figure. Suppose this is my starting point. If I rotate it through what angle to get exactly the same figure as I have now? So if I rotate it through angle this, it will be the same figure as it is now. So what is this angle? You can make out clearly, this is 90 degree. How will you find the order of rotation? As I got angle of rotation as 90 degree, so order will be 360 divided by 90. So it is 4. Next figure. If I rotate it, at what angle should I rotate to get exactly the same figure as it is now? So it is 120 degree and order of rotation will be 360 divided by 120, that is 3. Now this figure. If I rotate this from here to here, what should be my angle of rotation? 360 divide by order. What is order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So order is 6. So angle will be 360 divided by 6, that is 60 degree. So I hope you can calculate now angle of rotation and order of rotation. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great day ahead.